The question 4 is about graphing. The equations can be in slope-intercept form or in other forms. Here you can see there are plenty of graphs and plenty of equations. In your exam, since this is in the choices part, multiple choice question part, you might be either given a single graph and 4 equations, or the equation might be given and 4 graphs might be given. Let's do anyways how to solve this. Now, whenever you have the slope-intercept form, it is very simple. Let me say this equation, y equals minus 3x plus 8. All you need to focus is on the y-intercept, because this y equals mx plus b is the best form, the slope-intercept form, right? To graph it is one of the best form, right? Because this b value tells you where the graph is touching the y-axis. Here it's plus 8. Let me see. This can be the possible solution and this can be the possible solution. But you can see here there is minus 3, that is the slope. Slope is minus negative value, right? That means it just moves downwards. It cannot move upwards or flat. It has to move downwards. What does this flat mean? It's 0. If there is nothing here, if this part is only not there, then it can be a flat line. So now if you look carefully, there are two 8s, and over here there is one more 8, and over here also there is one more 8. But look at it, y is minus. If you rearrange this and write y to the other side, it will be 3x minus 8. So it goes. We will come to that in a while. But now let's only focus on the first and the fourth equation. So looking at the y-intercepts, we can easily tell this equation is going downwards. So B is your correct answer. Whereas here it is B. Whereas the first equation is a flat line. So that there is no this term. It should be only y is equal to B. That is 8. So this is the equation for B. Now then, what about the other? Let's go with minus 4. Here we are minus 4 and minus 4. Since this is the multiple choice question, you can just follow these methods and directly find the answer. It's very easy. Now then, this is minus 4, isn't it? Over here, and we have over here and over here. So let's see one by one. Now, I do not know there is one more minus 4, but I can see when we solve this up, we'll get it, but we will wait for that later on. So here, y is minus 4. That means it should be a flat line. Which is minus 4 flat line? C. But what about this one? What is the slope here? Slope is positive, so it should go upwards. Is it this line? No. It has to go upwards. So it is E over here. And now, whenever they are not in the slope-intercept form like these two equations, what you need to do is basically write them in the slope-intercept form. So here, 3x plus 7y equals negative 28, right? Let's write the slope-intercept form. That means y equals mx plus b. So take this 3x to the other side. It will be 7y is equal to minus 3x plus 28. Now divide all the sides by 7 here. So it will be 7 and 7. So it will be y is equal to minus 3 by 7x. And 28 divided by 7 would be... Now, if you're getting confused by this division, just divide all the terms by 7. That is also true. Both on the left side of equal to and right side of equal to, you must divide by 7. If you have plus or minus, that divides into separate terms. So that is what I did. It's negative 3 by 7x, and 28 divided by 7 is 4 over here. So now this is the equation. Now where is 4? This was done and this was done. So only one remaining option, so we can directly tell F. But otherwise, let's see over here. It is... Now, what did I do? This is minus 28. I just realized it should be minus... Okay, that's a small mistake which I did, but which would be a major mistake. So be careful when you're solving. Minus 28, that's minus 4. So this is the y-intercept. Now then, the slope is negative. It should go downwards. Yes, absolutely, it's going down. So it is F. That is also done. So this is F. I put a cross over here. So lastly, we have one remaining. But let's solve this up. So I will take y to the other side and make it positive. 3x, 8 comes inside. Minus 8 is equal to y. Or y is equal to 3x minus 8. So where do we have minus 8? That's over here. Negative 8. And then it goes upwards, yes, because the slope is positive, so this is A. And that's how we can easily solve them up. If you want to graph them, you know you can do mode 7. We have done it before and easily graph them up. But this is from the equations, you can easily get the graphs. Hope this is clear. It is D, C, F, B, E, and lastly, we have A. That's the end of the question 4.